Welcome to Sands Point, this incredible renovation that we've been working on for over 3.5 years. The main goal for this renovation was to create a sense of harmony and a beautiful, serene oasis for our clients' forever home. She really wanted to have peace and harmony, and the natural landscape informed my vision for this dream project. So, for this incredible renovation, we did poured concrete on the floors. We changed all the banisters to these incredible steel banisters, and our thinking was the outside, which we wanted to bring in. The chandelier was inspired by nature. We integrated this metal strip in the ceiling, in between the white oak, and this arabescado mantle was chiseled out of a big slab and came out incredible. And the view, there is nothing like this view. So this whole house was really thought out according to my client's needs and the way she lives. And this house was really for entertaining. The first thing that I did was we found this incredible chandelier, which I really believe references the water outside. We thought about having a lot of people over and great times in the kitchen and dining area. I love this Lazy Susan, which has always intrigued me. And then the kitchen was all about the natural feeling of the wood. My favorite wood has always been walnut. These cabinets are hand-planed, custom-made cabinets. So you've heard of honed marble and you've heard of polished marble. This is leathered python marble. The finish has been leathered, so it is not really smooth. There is a definite texture to this marble, which is great because it makes it very durable and it's not going to show all the stains that people worry about all the time. So since our client was a gourmet cook, we went in for all the bells and whistles. For instance, we have this pop-up vent with no large overhead vent because we really didn't want to block this incredible view. Instead, we did this pendant lighting, which we connected in the middle. It's actually two lights connected into one. And we also did integrated stainless steel sinks on this huge stainless steel island, which connects to the marble. And eventually we will have stools here so people can hang out, have wine, and really enjoy. There are actually two tones of wood here. The walnut on this side, and then we did a darker finish behind. And we have another integrated sink here. And then these huge structures right here. This is the refrigerator. And this is the freezer. So this is the powder room. and I am absolutely in love with the way it came out. We use this mosaic terrazzo interspersed with thassos, and we have this glitter wallpaper, which I know is a little hard to see on the camera. And probably my favorite part are these amazing sapphire blue faucet handles that look like jewelry. So we chose these sconces in rock crystal because we definitely wanted this powder room to have a little glitz and bling going on. Usually in a photo shoot, we don't talk about toilets, but this one has to be pointed out. It's a floating toilet, and this incredible flusher is made out of glass. We custom-made this bed and recessed it with the same white oak as the floors. This very soft, blush leather on the headboard. We had lighting integrated under the bed. Every detail in this house was very thought out carefully, down to the hardware on the built-in custom nightstands. This fireplace will light up at night for this very sexy dream. Imagine waking up in the morning to this view. We built in this custom closet with this window seat. The starting point for this amazing space was this crystal, rock crystal chandelier. Welcome to paradise, and these beautiful custom closet, and everything is covered in leather. And don't forget, there's lots of room for all your beautiful bags. And of course, there's a lot of room for all your beautiful shoes. I want to talk about some of the incredible details that we implemented in this house. Even the lighting switches, which were designed in glass. Incredible hinges that most people don't get very excited about, but I do. The hardware on the doors. The way we integrated the base molding, and even the registers are one of a kind. One of the first spaces in the whole house that we designed was this primary master bathroom, and the focal point of this bathroom was the incredible mosaic floors, which we used on the shower wall. And the mosaics are made up of thassos and Carrara marble. We then used huge tiles of thassos on the walls. And who would not love to soak in this tub overlooking this incredible view, or it will be incredible one day when it's finished. This is going to be a Japanese garden with a lake. Unfortunately, the vanity top has not arrived yet, but it will be a stone white integrated with 2 sinks. And again, we did the floating toilet and the flushometer on the wall, which I love as all the high-end detailing. This room will be the game room. We are planning to put a pool table here. This bar will be finished. And we designed it with tambour wood. It's going to have a copper countertop with an incredible bronze mirrored backsplash. The floors down here are the same poured cement, and this room is going to have a Moroccan feel to it. We are standing in the future media room with one of my favorite wall coverings. This is a collage of flowers done so beautifully with so much detailing. We painted the walls a very soft blush color, which I got picked up all the wonderful rose tones in this wall covering. And then this staircase goes right into the primary bedroom as a hidden escape. Welcome to the Cabana Bathroom. We again referenced the tile with the water outdoors and tried to bring the outside in. This room is going to be the cabana changing room, where of course we use this gorgeous fish paper. Here we are on the exterior rear of the house, and my main thought was to bring continuity from the interior to the exterior. For instance, we used poured concrete on the balconies, and also, just as we did on the inside, we used stainless steel polished railings. Part of the thought behind that was we did not want to block that incredible view. It was designed in the 1960s, so one of the most important elements to change was to do the blackened steel windows and posts. This project has been so amazing. Look at this magnificent backdrop that I had to design around. This incredible landscape architecture was designed by Harrison Design, and I think the way it blends into the environment with the rolling hills, integrated infinity pool, and terraces is just amazing.